Hey, what's up, guys? This is Will with Leadstack.ai. Somebody asked me this morning, how do you actually use Leadstack to get more leads? Is this just a CRM tool, or can you use it to get more leads as well? And I'm going to answer that question for you right now. So, I've written down here on this graph the major ways that you can get leads in real estate photography, being a drone provider, or being a virtual tour creator. These are the most common methods for getting leads. So, that's going to be paid advertising, right here, outreach, online directories, partnerships, social media, and your website and SEO. And you might be thinking, well, what about like just referrals? Well, I've got referrals right here under partnerships. I consider that a partnership kind of situation. You may be able to think of some very specific way that you get leads, but for the most part, it's going to fit into one of these 6 categories for how you get more leads. So, does Leadstack help in these areas? Yes, it does. I'm going to tell you exactly how it helps in each of these areas right now. So, starting with paid advertising. Now, obviously, you can't run Facebook and Instagram, Google Ads, YouTube ads through Facebook itself, or through Leadstack itself, I mean. However, you do have ads reporting through Leadstack, which means that inside of Leadstack, you can watch your stats for those advertising platforms. And the other thing is, obviously, you can integrate your leads from those platforms directly into Leadstack so that all of the leads from your ads come into the platform. Now, the next thing is outreach. How does Leadstack help with outreach? So, straight up, you can run email campaigns through Leadstack. That's one of the most powerful features of Leadstack. Direct mail, we can't do that through Leadstack. We also can't do LinkedIn outreach through Leadstack. However, we can set up Leadstack so that our LinkedIn leads come in through Leadstack. You would just have to use another tool to do LinkedIn outreach itself. So direct mail, that one's kind of obvious, you know. But again, you can collect your customers' addresses through Leadstack. So when you're ready to do direct mail marketing, if that's a route that you go down, all you have to do is export your lead list from Leadstack and import it into whatever company you're using for that direct mail outreach. One thing I forgot here is SMS outreach. Leadstack does that as well. You can run SMS campaigns through Leadstack. It's very effective. Next thing is online directories. Can I get my business on Yelp, Google My Business, Spark, Thumbtack? There's hundreds of online directories out there. The answer is yes. Leadstack has a partnership with Yext. Yext is partnered with over 200 online business directories. So through Leadstack, you can get onto over 200 of those platforms. Leadstack is great for facilitating partnerships. Obviously, Leadstack isn't going to go to networking events for you. Leadstack can ask for referrals for you if you set up the proper automations for that. Leadstack can't go to real estate association meetings for you. These are obviously things that you need to do, you need to work on, but Leadstack can be used as a tool to assist you in managing relationships that you make from these events. So Leadstack is going to help you there. Social media management. Can Leadstack manage my social media? Yes, absolutely. That's a major aspect of Leadstack, is to be able to manage the social media. You can manage all of these channels through Leadstack, no problem. You can set up automated posting. You can reply to DMs. So you're covered in that realm. Website and SEO. There's nothing here that Leadstack cannot do. You can set up your landing pages, add testimonials to your website, set up blog functionality, case studies to your website, obviously do your search engine optimization, create lead magnets. Anything website and SEO oriented, Leadstack can handle that for you. Now, there is a reason that I put paid advertising, outreach, online directories, and partnerships over here on the left-hand side, and social media and website/SEO here in the middle. That's because a lot of times these channels over here are they're going to be your very first point of contact with a new lead or potentially customer. That's your very first point of contact. And if they see something from you in one of those areas, they're not always immediately going to become a new lead. That's over here. A lot of times they're going to say, "Oh, this is interesting," and they're going to access your website, or they're going to follow you on social media. So that's why I've got social media and website as kind of like that middle barrier there between them becoming a new lead, because maybe they're not quite ready to buy your service, maybe they don't trust you yet. So that's kind of that middle ground, that waiting ground before they can become a new lead. and Leadstack handles that middle ground excellently. So once they do become a new lead for photography, drone, full plan, virtual tour services, anything like that, they get entered into your Leadstack CRM. That's a huge aspect of Leadstack, is the CRM. So you can do your follow-ups, set up pipelines, set up different automations, so much more with the CRM. And all of that is going to accumulate into closed deals. That's what we need, is closed deals. So guys, I hope that's a good summary of how Leadstack.ai actually helps you to get more leads. I'm going to release information on particularly how to set up each of these individual items in Leadstack, but this is just the rundown for you real quick. So if Leadstack seems interesting to you, you can get started at Leadstack.ai. So you can reach out to me, William at Leadstack.ai. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.